the country together, but I think the bug thing is not one of them. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. Now, Mike, you really want me to do this?
I kind of would. You know, let's put it to bed once and for all.
Sure. Okay, so like John the Baptist in the wilderness, he ate locusts and honey, and so I regard myself as being in the wilderness a little bit because, after all, I was wrong. A lot of people were wrong, but nobody else made the promise I did. And I'm hoping that we can get back to data and thinking thoughtfully about policy and issues. And having said that, and saying a good morning to everyone out there on both sides. See this? Here it goes. Okay?
You're a man of your word, Dr. Wong. I appreciate that. How was it, by the way?
Kind of mostly honeyish, a little nutty, but you know, if it's good enough for a snake.
You delivered, okay? You're a man of your word. I appreciate it. It was sensationalistic, but it